Hello amigos, what's going on? Sebaz here with another video, and ZHIYUN just launched the update for the ZHIYUN-TECH app, so it's finally supporting the Weebill LAB and I guess the Crane3 lab as well because it's the same application. And yeah, this video is all about the new features of the ZHIYUN-TECH app. Yes, it's finally there. After a lot of struggle with the beta app, which was completely in Chinese, I can finally test the Weebill together with the ZHIYUN-TECH app and its new features. I'm not sure if they add more features during the next weeks, but the most features ZHIYUN announced for the Weebill LAB are already integrated, like the HD wireless image transmission and the ZHIYUN-TECH system. So let's jump right into the app. Before we are able to use the ZHIYUN-TECH app, we have to connect the camera to the gimbal by plugging in the right cable. Then we turn on the Weebill LAB first and then the camera. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your smartphone are enabled, go to your Wi-Fi settings and choose the Weebill Wi-Fi. If there is a password required to connect, try 12345678. This should be the standard password for the Weebill Wi-Fi. Then open the ZHIYUN-TECH app, press connect device and choose the Weebill LAB. Now you should be connected to the gimbal. To activate the new HD image transmission feature, you just have to press the button right here. Honestly, this is a really cool feature, but it doesn't replace a real monitor. The latency is just not good enough to see everything in real time, but it really works pretty good and much better than I expected. Let's have a look at the other functions. On the right we can scroll through the most common camera functions, which we can change right in the app, like aperture, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, but also some add settings like guidelines or the follow focus control, which I usually most for zoom, to be honest. I guess they integrated already a second one because you have two motors on the Crane3 lab. On the left we have a button to get back to the starting screen, a button with modes for panoramas and time lapses, a record button right in the middle, and a button for active track. That's a really cool feature, especially if you're filming alone like I do it most of the time. I can simply draw a square around my face and go away from the camera. As long as I'm facing the camera, it's following me. In the top right corner you have also a button to center the camera at any time. Very similar to the older versions, you have a panorama photo mechanism and various time-lapse functions. When it comes to time-lapse, we can use the normal mode and the app works only as a trigger, or we do a motion time-lapse. Exactly as on the Crane series, you have to set at least 2 waypoints and you're ready to start. You can also choose between photo and video time-lapse. That was a quick overview of the updated version of the ZHIYUN-TECH app. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time. Bye!